Hey, what's up everyone? Today we are diving into one of the hottest and trendiest hairstyle that's been blowing up all over social media, salons, and guess what? It's right in your city too. I am talking about the 2023 modern mullet. If you want to grab attention and look unique, this hairstyle is just for you. Stay with me and I'll tell you all about the modern mullet and how to pull it off with confidence. But before we start, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Alright guys, let's jump right into the video. The modern mullet is not your grandfather's haircut. It's bold, it's trendy, and it's making a big comeback in 2023. Today I will break it down into 3 easy parts: the haircut, the styling, and the maintenance. Let's start with the haircut. The modern mullet is all about finding the right balance. You will want shorter hair on the sides and longer hair in the back. How long you want the back part to be depends on your personal style, but the key is to make sure it's look neat and well shaped. Also make sure the top of your hair has some volume to give it that extra touch of boldness. And guys, you don't need to be a hair expert to get this haircut. Just show a picture to your experienced barber and they will know what to do. Now that you have got your haircut sorted, let's talk about the styling. You will need a few products for this. To style your modern mullet, you will need a good pomade or hair wax. These products can help you achieve either a slicked back or messy look, depending on your mood. Just take a small amount and rub it between your fingers. Then run your fingers through your hair, especially focusing on the top and the back. Style it the way you like, but remember, with the modern mullet, a bit of messiness is part of the charm. See how easy that was. Now let's talk about the maintenance. To keep your modern mullet looking sharp, it's important to get regular trims every 4 to 6 weeks. This helps maintain the shape and style. And don't forget to use a good shampoo and conditioner to keep your hair healthy and looking its best. And that's it guys. The 2023 modern mullet is all about being confident, looking stylish, and adding a bit of boldness to your appearance. Whether you are going out or just want to stand out, this haircut is perfect for you. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, stay stylish, stay confident, and keep rocking that modern mullet hairstyle. Alright, you have come this far, so I hope you enjoy this video. Why not check out another video from my channel? You have 2 options on the screen. Click one of them quickly and I'll see you there. Bye.